Let's cook chicken curry. Add 2 spoons of salt. Add 1 spoon of turmeric. Add 2 spoons of chili powder. Take 1 lemon and cut it into 2 pieces. Add 1 piece of lemon juice. Let's mix and marinate. Light the stove. Add 3 big spoons of oil. Add 1 star anise, 2 green cardamom, half cinnamon, 3 cloves, 3 chopped onions, 4 green chilies. This paste is made with 1 onion, ginger, garlic, star anise, green cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, coriander. Add the big tomatoes paste. Mix it well. Now add marinated chicken. Mix it well. Wow! Add 1 spoon of cumin powder. Add 3 spoons of coriander powder. Add kasuri methi. Add Everest chicken masala. Add some salt again. Garnish with coriander leaves. Mix, mix, mix. Finally, the tasty chicken curry is ready. Just wow, Inca Finnegan.